Good afternoon. We are here at the Ellis's. We're going to do a repair test here on this shingle. Take a look there. That's where our damage is. So we're going to remove and replace that damaged shingle as though we're going to do a physical repair with a new shingle, just to test the pliability of the overlapping shingles. So we're going to document if there's any consequential damage that occurs while we do so. So what we'll do first, take a look here at our location to verify where we are is correct, and we will get started. So the first thing we'll do, we'll break these seals. So obviously we got to break the seal on our damaged shingle, as well as break the seals here on these overlapping shingles. And I'm sure you can tell, just based on the condition, that it's not going to be possible to put new shingles in without causing significant damage to the overlapping shingles. Okay, so there we go. So here's this one. And these are nailed in. Or not nailed in, sorry, they're stapled in. So I thought I'd just point that out. Silicone some of these holes once we're done. So there's that shingle removed. Go ahead and replace it. So now we're gonna have to nail these back in. So lifting that up causes it's a tear there. I'm sure, as you can see in the video, that was trying not to be. So we tore right here as well. Okay, so that one right there completely tore. So we'll take a look at this here. I mean, the shingles are just too frail to take a repair. There's really nothing that we can do to prevent these tears from happening. There's a crease through the middle. Right here is tore. Just trying to lift those up to tear right through here.